This video will help you guys a lot. Simply need to go through these 42 topics of the essay. As you can clearly see, in this video, I am going to discuss PT 2023 latest essay topics. Actually, not just that. If you'll go through this video, you'll get to know that this video will help you guys a lot in preparing for your PTE writing module. You simply need to go through these 42 topics of the essay, and you need not to go through any other essay topic. Just prepare these 42 topics and you are all set. That's my promise. So now I would suggest you to watch the video until the end in order to know what all 42 topics have been covered in this video, and there are variety of topics in this. So kindly go through these. Prepare these topics. I would not suggest you to write every single essay because PTE essay writing is going to give you somewhere around 15 marks. So there is no need to go through every single topic, no need to write every single essay. For that also, I'm going to provide you the essay template. And if you want the template like such, do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely share the video related to the template very soon. Now, in this video, 42 topics have been covered. Not all the topics will be discussed, but I'm going to share the topics with you. And I am going to discuss a few topics from these 42 topics. Let's get started with the first one. Do you think consumers should avoid overpacked products, or it is the responsibility of producer to avoid extra packaging of products? So clearly they are giving you two different situations. Okay, they are simply saying, do you think consumers should avoid overpacked products? So if a particular product is overpacked, so consumers should avoid it, or it is the responsibility of the producer to avoid extra packaging. What should be done? So, give your views or any relevant example. So, it is clearly an opinion essay. And here you can simply write. They did not say, do you agree or disagree? Here they are saying, give your views. So, that means you are going to discuss both the views. Give your views. Discuss both the views. What do you think about it? You can discuss it in a manner as in like 70-30 approach you can use. I think it is the responsibility of the manufacturer to avoid extra packaging of the products. And somehow, when the product is already on the shelves in the supermarkets, a consumer, if a particular consumer needs the product, he or she would have to buy it if that's not available in some other brand. So, it's the major responsibility of the manufacturer. This is what I believe. So, I'm going to agree 70% with the responsibility of the producer side and 30% that consumer should avoid. So you can also think, always look at the essay, plan it, think what you're going to write. But here in PTE essay writing, you're going to get only 20 minutes. So I would not suggest you to spend more than 2 to 3 minutes on planning. You simply go through the topic, simply write the ideas on the erasable booklet, what you're going to write in body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and proceed further. And I'm pretty sure once you're going to use the template, which I'll share in my upcoming videos, you are going to easily clear your PTE writing with good scores. So you can easily score even 15 in PTE writing if you follow that template properly. Coming to the second question, do you think consumers should avoid overpacked products, or it is the responsibility of the producer to avoid extra packaging of product? If the question says discuss both of these views, it will be a discussion essay in which you are going to discuss the same essay 50-50 side. Okay, so in body paragraph 1 you are going to discuss the side of the consumer, that consumer should avoid. In body paragraph 2 you need to discuss that the producer, it is the producer's responsibility, okay, or producer should be held accountable, and when it comes to avoiding extra packaging. So the same question can be given to you or can be rephrased in a manner that you get it as a discussion essay. So the most important thing here is to understand the question properly, but do not spend more than 2 minutes on understanding, because you have to write the full essay of around 200 to 250 words. in just 20 minutes. So that's what I suggest. Write somewhere around 220 230 words, more than enough. And I'm going to share the essay structure as well, in which you'll get to know everything related to PTE essay template as well. And if you face any other problem related to PTE exam preparation, you can simply contact us on the number given below and start preparing for your PTE exam. Proceeding further, question number 3. Many people think regions affect successful persons. What is your opinion about native regions and accomplished person influence on the regions they belong to? So it is clearly a mixed essay or both-sided essay. Firstly, they are asking your opinion about native regions. I also believe it affects. If you are born in like a local area or maybe a small village, there will be less opportunities. So it will take some time, or you will have to move to some urban areas, you need to move to some metropolitan areas in order to get whatever you want, in order to get proper education and in order to get the facilities. Yes, so native regions affect. But in the second body paragraph, as it is a mixed essay, so second body paragraph, we are going to answer accomplished person influence on the regions they belong to. For example, I was going through this vlog recently. If you have come across this vlog, that's a good one. Jyotika and Rajat's vlog, Dilaik family, I believe. So their sister, Rubina, yeah, Rubina Dilaik. She is like from Shimla, a small town, okay. And then she moved to Mumbai. She like got stardom and she got famous. So what affected? It affected her region as well. Definitely, because of the accomplished person, a particular region also gets famous. That's what they want to ask, and you have to read the question carefully, understand the question carefully. Yes, you simply have to fill in the blanks. If you have to write an answer of 250 words, I'll give you somewhere around 170 words, so you simply need to fill in the blanks with 80 words, or 150 words I'm going to give you, you have to fill in the blanks with 100 words. Okay, so that's quite easy. Well, you'll get to see the template, you'll understand everything in detail. Question number 4. The environment we are living in is in danger due to various problems. So, who do you think should be responsible to solve it? The governments, organization, or each individual? So, they are clearly saying the environment we are living in danger due to various problems. So, in body paragraph 1, we are going to write problems. So, who do you think should be responsible to solve it? Now, solution, the government, organization, or each individuals. I think it should be the cumulative efforts of the government as well as the individuals. Okay. Now, nowadays, TV has become an essential part of life, medium to spread news and awareness, and for some it acts like a companion. What is your opinion? So either of two, what do you think? Do you think it is a companion, or do you think it is a medium to spread news, awareness, and for some it acts as a companion? Whatever you think, you have to support, you have to be on one side, you simply have to state your opinion here. What do you think about it? So simply state your opinion. Okay. Next, sixth, company top level authorities should or should not take employees' suggestions to take any decisions. So simply, I believe they should take employees' suggestions to take any decisions, as these suggestions can help them in growing. These suggestions can help them in succeeding. Okay, or these suggestions can help them in becoming more profitable. So it is an opinion essay because they are clearly asking or either of two. So you can discuss it like such, or you can discuss both sides as well. Okay, next, successful sports stars and glamorous film stars are a role model for youngsters. Do you support it or not? So they are role model for youngsters. Do you support it or not? What do you support they being the role model? I do not think so. And I believe role model should have the, it should not be related to sports stars or glamorous film stars. Role model can be a particular writer as well, an author as well, or maybe a person who is into good deeds too, or a philanthropist as well. So what do you think? Do you support it or not? That is clearly your opinion. I do not support because they are following a lot of, they are totally getting inclined towards Western culture, Westernization. So this is the manner in which you are going to go through the question. You need to understand the question, you need to plan the question, and the first step is to decide which question type is it. So first of all, decide which question type is it. Then the second step should be what you have to write in body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, or if required, body paragraph 3. Okay. Do not write more than one idea in a single body paragraph in the PTE exam. So simply one idea per body paragraph. Okay. And last but not the least, they clearly say in between 200 and 250 words. I would suggest you to write somewhere around 230 to 40 words, more than enough. Now, these were the 7 questions which I have discussed with you. There are total of 42 questions. You can simply go through these 42 questions, prepare notes, and if you face problem in any of these 42 questions or any of the remaining questions, you simply write the same question or maybe the question number, just the question number, or write the same question in the comment section. I'll explain you the same question in my upcoming videos. That's what I can do for you guys. But your main purpose is to go through these questions, understand the question, understand which question type is it, and then you need to think of the ideas. You should have proper ideas in your mind, and when you are in the examination hall, you should simply go through the question, think of the ideas, and on the basis of the ideas, you should write down the whole essay. Now, there are going to be some difficult words as well. For example, xenophobia or polygamy. If you do not know what the word is, how would you be able to write the essay? That's why I have already added this. Xenophobia is like dislike or prejudice against people. It is like racism. Okay, so when you go to the US, there will be racism towards the Indian people, towards the blacks, towards the Indian people. So that is xenophobia, okay, racism. Then we have another word, polygamy. Polygamy is the practice or custom of having more than one wife or husband at the same time. That is polygamy. So if you do not know the meaning of polygamy, if you do not know the meaning of xenophobia, how would you be able to write the essay? I'm just recommending you guys to go through these 42 topics, and that's it. You need not to prepare any other topic. Just go through these 42 topics and you're all set for your exam. Now, the last topic here is human cloning. If you do not know what cloning is like preparing a copy of some parts of the body. That is cloning. And because of that, what is happening? Longevity is increasing. है ना? What is happening? This is happening. Their people are able to live for more number of years because of cloning. If they get a heart attack, if there is a heart failure, or if there is a kidney failure, so there is an option of transplanting it. Okay, so cloning is like preparing a copy of something. Simply go through the topic, read something about it, prepare the notes, and that's it. These 42 topics are more than enough. And if you like this video, just do one favor for me. I am just giving my 100% for you, है ना? I devoted somewhere around 3 to 4 hours in preparing the content of this video. Okay, so I would suggest you guys to just spend 2 minutes in sharing the same video with 2 more learners out there. I'm not expecting you guys to share it with 10 learners out there, only 2, and that I am pretty sure you have those 2 numbers in your contact list right away. So share this video with those 2 learners. And if you like the way I taught you today in this session, simply let me know in the comment section. And if you do not like something, and if you did not like something in this video, then also let me know. I'll try to improve myself. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget, PT आसान है. You just need to follow the right techniques as well as the right person. Thank you and bye-bye.